Welcome back to Encrypto. So in this video I'll be showing you how to sell any token on spot. Okay, alright, so in the previous video we learned how to buy, so in this video we'll learn how to sell. So in the previous video we bought XRP, so we're going to be selling XRP. So this is XRP right here. So all you have to do is just tap on it. Okay, so this is XRP, you can see right here. So if you did not find it, just click this search button and search for XRP. Okay, so you see top XRP slash USDT. So click on it. Why you're choosing USDT is because USDT is what you want to convert your XRP to. Okay, so now you can see we have buy here, we have sell here. Okay, so what we want to select is the sell option because we want to sell. So and as you can see we have 913 XRP that we can sell. Okay, so let's say we want to sell 500 out of this XRP. So all we have to do is first of all decide if you want to sell it at the current price or you want to sell at a higher price. So let's assume you want to sell at a higher price. So as you can see, the current price is right here, 2.185. so let's say you feel the price will still go up to $3 and you want to sell it at $3. So all you have to do is to come right here and change this market to limit. Okay, so you click on it and select limit, this limit right here. So it allows you to set a particular price that you want to set. So right here is where you set the price. So you can see price, so you change this to 3 or whatever price you feel it will still go up to, so you put 3 there. Okay, then here is where you enter the quantity of XRP that you want to sell right here. So let's say you want to sell 500. Okay, and then you click on sell. Okay, click on sell. So it's gonna ask you, do you want to sell this 500 XRP at $3 each? If you're okay with that, you click on sell right here. Alright, so we're selling. So because the current price is lower than the price you want to sell it at, it's going to be under pending order. It's going to be waiting for price to come up to $3. So until price comes to $3, this trade is going to be pending. It's not going to sell yet. Okay, so that is how to set limit order to sell at whatever price you want. Okay, so let's assume you want to sell it immediately. You don't want to wait, you just want to sell it at the current market price. So all you have to do is to cancel this order and come back to this place where you have limit. So you change it to market. Okay, so click on this, then you select market. See market right here. So once you select market, all you have to do is just enter the quantity of XRP that you want to sell right here. So let's say you want to sell 500 XRP. So you type it right there, type 500. Okay, and it's going to sell at the current price. So all you have to do next is to click on sell. Just click on sell. So once you click on sell, it's going to sell. It's going to ask you, do you want to sell 500 XRP at the current price or at the market price? So once you're okay with that, you click on sell. Okay, and once you do that, it's going to be sold. So as you can see, you add over 900 XRP before. Now it has reduced to 400 because 413 because you've sold 500. So where did your money go? So when you click on buy right here, you will see that your money has increased, your USDT has increased. So you can see right here. So that's where you see the fonts. Okay, so that is how to sell XRP or whatever token that you want to sell. Okay, so see you in the next video where we'll learn how to do derivative trading. Okay, derivative or futures or perpetual. See you in the next video. Bye for now.